am very excited today because, as you can see, I have a full box of Sylvanian Families Blind Bags to open up with you today. As I open these all up, I'm going to be displaying them on this treehouse here. This is from my childhood Sylvanian Families collection. It's missing a few pieces like the swing back here, but it's gonna look just adorable when all of these blooming babies are set up over here. Let's get the first one out. This is what the bags look like. You can see 7 different adorable babies, and then there's also a mystery one that we can't see. And yes, I am going to end up with a lot of doubles, but that's actually a good thing today because I love making little magical forest fairy displays of Sylvanians, and these are going to be just perfect. Fingers crossed I can get all 8 today. The Sylvanian in the first mystery bag is one with fairy wings. How adorable is this? This is one of the newborn style babies, so they're slightly smaller babies and they don't have movable limbs. She is wearing a shiny green dress with fairy wings. Fairy wings on Sylvanians are one of my favorite things ever. Now her accessory is a cloud, which you can set up to make it look like she's flying. So this goes into here. Then we attach her here. Oh my goodness, look at that. She really does look like she's flying. She can go at the top here of our treehouse. This display is going to look so cute. I'm so excited. What have we got in bag number 2? This one is, I can't tell. Oh, it's the otter in a tree. This one is super cute. Look how cute this little baby otter is. I'm pretty sure this is also one of the newborn ones, because as you can see, the limbs aren't movable. He is wearing a brown outfit because he wants to be a tree. Let's release the tree so he can live all his tree dreams. 2 pieces of the tree goes in like this. I thought the tree would go all the way around, but it's more like a stand that you can peek through. Let's plant a tree in our nursery. Bag number 3. Oh my gosh, I love these ones because look at that dress. Absolutely gorgeous. It's got pink flower petals for the skirt, also a second layer of lace. And you can see the top looks like a little corset with this lacing here. This is what it looks like on the back. And this is what I was talking about when I said movable limbs. So this is one of the bigger babies, one of the original sized babies. You can move around their limbs. And if we compare it here, you can see it looks giant compared to the newborns. She has a watering can as her accessory. Look how cute that is. It's got little flowers here. It's got water coming out. You could even put something inside it too. But for now, this little cat is gonna water this tree. Alright, number 4 to open. Oh, this is my favorite one in the set. So it's one of the little fennec foxes in a purple outfit. I especially love it because it looks so much like my dog. And you might have noticed that purple is my favorite color. Look how tiny and cute she is. Oh my gosh, her nose even looks like a little heart. I'm not sure if that's intentional, but I love it. Now this is also one of the newborn babies. No movable limbs. Very, very small. And her accessory is this flower cloud thing here. It comes in 3 pieces. Gonna put the stem in first. Then we can join the flower like this. And then let's bring in the little baby. So cute. This one needs wings. She can go up here next to our flying friend. Oh my gosh, they're all so adorable, aren't they? So this is going to be bag number 5. We've already opened up half the set. We're still needing this one, this one, this one, and the mystery one. Oh, it's our first double. The other reason that I'm not sad to be having doubles is it gives me more of these outfits. So if I have a bunch of these, I can dress up my other Sylvanian families in these and do a really cute fairy display where they're all dressed in these little outfits. Also, having multiple of each item is really nice for Sylvanian families displays. I'll move this tree back a bit, then they can both be watering. This one really doesn't want to water anymore. Maybe maybe I'll put her sitting up here. Oh yeah, she's much happier there. Mystery bag number 6. Okay, who is this one? It is, oh my goodness, it's the mystery one. So the mystery one is a little sleeping bunny. Oh, how precious. She's got her eyes closed. Another one of the tiny newborns. Then her accessory looks very interesting. So we've got 2 pieces, a tulip to go inside some tulip leaves. And then I guess we put the baby, oh my goodness, isn't that just the most precious thing you've ever seen? We can put her in our little garden down here. I'm so glad that I got this little mystery one. I'm not sure how hard the mystery one is to get. I'm not sure if they're any rarer than the rest of them, but she is so cute. And we are now 5 out of 6 for completing the set. This next blind bag is gonna have, is this another new one? Oh, it is another new one. This one is a baby husky in a little yellow outfit. I love the little lace that Sylvanian Families outfits have. It's so cute. Another newborn one, and his accessory is this mushroom hat. Look at this. Pink mushroom hat, got 4 spots. This is what it looks like underneath. And let's put it on. That is the most stylish baby I have ever seen. I've got to put this on everyone else. Beautiful. This fox will have to wear it like a beret because it doesn't fit over the ears. Might even be too small for this cat. She's gonna have to wear it as a beret too. Oh my goodness, that looks amazing. Style icon. The baby fox just collapsed. It's okay, you're a style icon too. And then this will be interesting. Hey, that's pretty cool. It's like a wonky mushroom. It looks really good on the otter. Like, this could have come in the set. Okay, our mushroom's gonna go over here, back near these mushrooms. So there's only 2 left that I haven't opened. And we've still got a bunch of mystery bags to open. This one is, oh my gosh, another new one. This is amazing. Oh, this one is not a newborn either. This is one of the bigger ones. She can move her arms and wave at you. She can sit down if she likes. She's wearing a blue shiny outfit. Another cute flower accessory. Put the stem into the flower like this. Oh, it's a little flower umbrella. Isn't that the most precious thing you've ever seen? I hope I get some doubles of this so I can give other Sylvanians flower umbrellas too. I'm gonna put her up here. That's why she needs her umbrella in case it starts raining. That is 7 of the designs now opened. I just need the deer to complete the set. This one is, oh, it's that exact same cat. Yay, we got an extra umbrella. Because I have 2 of this cat and 2 of this cat, let's swap their outfits. How cute is that? The little white cat is now in the flower dress. And she now has a watering can. This is why we wanted doubles. Then this cat is getting a blue outfit. So cute. And then let's give her the umbrella too. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry. How adorable. She can be sliding down the slide with her umbrella. I don't know why, but it looks cute. Okay, next blind bag. Most likely gonna be another double. It is, oh, it's a double of the cute little fairy. That means that I can give another newborn Sylvanian this outfit and wings. I really hope I get a double of that little fox because how good would she look in this outfit and wings? So I'm just going to put them there for now. I don't have any spare newborns. Is this going to be a newborn that we can give the outfit to? Okay. This newborn could turn into a fairy. Oh, this outfit's really easy to get off because it just wrapped around. This one, probably not so much. Oh my goodness. That is a lot cuter than I expected. Somehow this little wraparound outfit makes it look even smaller. This is our newest tree. Let's plant it back here. Oh wait, we can do a cute little display here. 2 trees framing the flower. Oh my gosh, this is such a magical story because it's like like she's in the forest bringing this baby to life. Get ready to become a fairy, little otter. I need fairy outfits for every single Sylvanian I own. This is beautiful. We'll set up this one as well. This is where the fairies fly. You know what I just realized? This rocks back and forth. Look at that! You can see them flying! Next one to open, and it is this? Oh my goodness, this is what we wanted! Another one of these little babies. I just gave the spare fairy outfit to that otter, but I can definitely change it over to see what it looks like. Here is what the otter looks like in purple. I need purple outfits for every Sylvanian too. Then we'll set the otter up on this flower. Oh, how adorable. How cute do they look together? Imagine just having a garden of babies in little purple outfits. And this is my dog. This is literally my dog. My dog's name is Fairy. She looks exactly like this. And she's now a Sylvanian. Oh my goodness, how beautiful is that looking? We've got flower babies in the front, fairies flying in the back. So we only have 4 left of these. Still needing this deer in the middle. Who is this one? Okay, it's another one of the mystery one. I can't believe I got 2 of the mystery one before I even got the deer. The next newborn I open is gonna get this outfit and accessory. And the bunny is gonna get dressed in whatever is in this one. Oh my goodness, the bunny can't wear that. This is the final one in the set. I'm so happy we've got the whole set. You're gonna have to wait a minute, sorry. This baby deer is one of the bigger models and she just looks so cute in this little dress. It's absolutely beautiful on her. It looks so nice with the orange. Then she has this little wand as an accessory. It's even got a purple julep on the end. It's got a little bow with a heart. So magical. Oh, she can go here. She can be part of the magical forest ceremony. There are 2 mystery bags left to open. I've already got the whole set, but I would like to swap out this one's accessory and outfit. I might have to do a swap between 3 of them. Let's find out who's in here. So the first one is the little husky with a mushroom hat. And then the last one, oh, it's actually another deer. Wait a second, did I get exactly 2 of everyone? Oh my gosh, I did. I got 2 of every design. That is so beautiful. Let's open up these 2. Their outfits are the same color, so it's not going to be a huge change, but I will do it anyway. They do both look very sweet in the other's outfits. Look at the bunny with the lace. Then we'll put the husky in this tulip. Super cute. He can be growing over here. Now this bunny is not easily gonna wear this. I could just put this down here as an accessory and then put the bunny on the slide. Then the last thing we have to open is the second one of this little deer. I don't really have another outfit I could change her into, but what I could do is I could give her this umbrella accessory. Oh my gosh, that looks beautiful. It matches the colors so well. And then as a replacement for that, I'll give the cat this wand. That is super adorable as well. Oh wait, maybe the baby could go on here. That works. Then we'll put you back on the slide. And we still need a good spot for this one. Alright, she can go back here. Let's do some final touches to the display. Alright, so here is how I've chosen to do the final display. Let's have a tour. Starting down in this corner. This is actually a little fairy circle. So it's kind of a semicircle here surrounding this mushroom. These are the new fairy babies that are growing, and this one is in charge of watering and taking care of them. Now, if you look a bit behind, you might be able to see that there's actually a sleeping baby back there. She's in a quiet spot having a nap. Then here we've got these 2 little fairies sliding down the slide with their magic flower wands. This area here is the mushroom area. Then if we go upstairs, we've got this cat watering this vine, and this deer is holding up an umbrella to try and stop getting splashed. Over here we've got our area in the clouds. We've got the babies with the wings flying, and then these 2 on their clouds with flowers. flowers. And up the very top we have the lookout. He's watching over everyone, making sure everything's okay. And there we have it. There is a full display of the Blooming Baby Friends set. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you'd like to see more Sylvanian Families unboxings, and I will see you again very soon.